Puck Hockey Tables is a company whose mission is to bring you and your loved ones a variety of fun and elegant air hockey table games that can be enjoyed indoors with family and friends. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Enjoy classic air hockey the way it was meant to be played, with premium products and sturdy construction, so it will hold up to even the most competitive and roughest of crowds. The air hockey table itself is comprised of solid wood with leg levelers to ensure an even playing field and polyresin finish to prevent scratches or wear and tear on the air hockey field. Designed for both experts and beginners, Puck air hockey tables are a great addition to your home or work. Your 100% satisfaction is our #1 priority. If there is anything we can do to improve your experience, or if you have any questions, concerns, or are not 100% satisfied, please call Puck Air Hockey Tables now and we will do everything to make it right. Remember, all Puck tables have a lifetime warranty on all parts, so rest assured you're covered. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Superior quality billiard and swivel air hockey table with table tennis conversion. Top table dimension: 72 inches length by 32 inches width by 32 inches height. Number 2. Includes full premium pool table, table tennis table, and air hockey table accessories set. Number 3. Heavy duty, rock solid stability and sturdiness. Number 4. Play the same day, quick and simple installation, included written directions. Number 5. Unlimited lifetime warranty, free shipping, quick response, 100% satisfaction policy, Puck brand quality. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.